This car sucks. What's up, everyone? Welcome to Dad and Cheese. I am Dad, and this is
Cheese.
And today is a special one. Why is it special today?
Because we're going to be driving in a fast car. Once you go fast, you can't feel it. You can't feel how fast it goes.
That is right. Now, we are driving a 2022 Porsche 911 Carrera. All right, the 992 gen. That is right, Cheese. And we have it for 2 days. We picked it up from Porsche, the main line, earlier today. And I'm not even going to talk anymore. We're going to get in this thing. We're going to mount the cameras, and we're about to go for a joyride, right?
Yeah, and we're at Nifty 50s right now.
Oh, yeah, we're at Nifty 50s. Check it out. They're really good. If you're in the Philly area. One of the first things you notice in the interior is like how sleek it is. It is like worlds apart from my 996. If my 996, if like this is modern day, then my 996 is like a dinosaur. Digital display, G-Force, which is really cool. Wireless Apple CarPlay, like all the bells and whistles. But let's start it up. Sounds good. All right, we're gonna rev it and see if it sounds better than my Fister exhaust. Here we go. What do you think? Nah, but I think it gets like much meaner sounding once we get going. All right, so let's drive. All right, I don't know how I feel about an automatic. Like I always felt like an automatic sports car was like an oxymoron. Like you had to feel the clutch and the gear selection. So this is going to be interesting driving this to see how it feels. We're going to see if an automatic sports car will make me smile. Now, I know that sounds crazy because like Ferraris and all these other cars no longer offer a manual gearbox. Everything is dual clutch paddle shifter. But I don't know, man. I just like that feeling of dropping that gear and taking off. Cheese did mention it's a sport mode in the car. I didn't even notice the sport mode, so we're definitely going to try that in a little bit once we get a more open area. This is the base model, and it goes 0 to 60. And how fast do you think it goes 0 to 60? 4 seconds even. All right, so 0 to 60. Nope, 4. It's 4. I'm telling you, that's the answer. It goes 0 to 60 in 4 seconds, and this is the base model. So if this goes that fast, imagine if we would have got that 4S, because we almost got a 4S, but they didn't prep it for us this morning. But how fast would that 4S be? I mean, this thing, when you put your foot on the pedal, it goes. So the 4S, ooh, or the turbo, mama.
How much is it
I've seen a variety of prices, and right now, because of how crazy the car market is, averaging between 140 and 160 for a 2022, which is like pretty crazy.
Is it more than the White House?
No, it's not more than the White House. But $140,000 is a lot of money. All right, that can feed a lot of people. A lot of good things can be done with $140,000. However, if you have the means, I think you should buy it. This car is amazing. And I think I'm going to save my money up. I think I'm going to sell my 996, save my money, and then buy one of these. I think. Ooh, it's open. Sport mode?
Yeah.
Sport mode. Here we go. Activating sport mode. Go. I really hope our cameras are still there. That was so much force. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna be heartbroken if we lost the camera. All right, I'm gonna leave it in sport mode. Oh, this thing is mean. Oh my goodness. It's almost like a tease, right? Because you rent a car. We rented the car for 2 days, and it's like we drove the 996 to the dealer to pick this car up. And when we get out of this car and get back into our 996, I feel like I'm going to be like, this car sucks. Oh, I want this car.
I want it!
Yeah, I want this car. What was that?
I want it!
Yeah, I want this car. That's how I'm going to say it to your mom. All right, here we go, sports mode. Did you just fart?
No.
You sure about that? Don't you look at how fast I'm going. Did you just look how fast I was going? Cheese. In 3, 2. So I think this calls for sport mode. So what's been your favorite thing about riding in this car?
Me?
Both of you. Let's start off with baby Cheese.
My favorite thing was that we went fast.
And Cheese, what was your favorite thing?
Driving really fast.
Why you sound so sad?
No.
Are you sad about saying goodbye?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
You're gonna feel so sad when you get in my 996.
First of all, don't poo-poo on my 996, okay? It's still a very nice car. My favorite things about this car is obviously the sport mode. It's a 8-gear automatic. My least favorite thing is that it is an automatic, that it's not a manual. However, besides that, you know, half a second of latency when you put your foot down on the pedal and go, it makes up for it once it takes off. I mean, it's crazy. It's phenomenal. So for $150,000 or so, you can own one of these, and I'm definitely saving up my money for it. What do you think, Cheese?
Yeah.
Why do you sound so sad today?
Oh.
I know you can't be that sad because you're getting rid of this car. We still have a Porsche. It's not this nice, but we still have one. I promise you, we'll still have fun in that car too.
But I want to have sports mode in that car.
So I had fun. Cheese had fun. Baby Cheese had fun?
Yeah.
All right, and we're gonna say bye now. I had a lot of fun. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button as well, and we will see you next time for the next video from Dad and
Cheese.
And
Baby Cheese, it's you guys.
we out.
Yeah.
I never took a poop in school. Never. I never took one poop in school from kindergarten through 12th grade. Never took a poop. I always took my poops at home. Never understood kids who drop a deuce at school. To me, it's weird, and you're one of them. I know you've taken a few dookies at school. It's so weird. Like, why would you put your butt cheeks on a place where other people's butt cheeks are? It's disgusting.